is Zain Mohammed. Today I am here to showing vlog about PUBG. What is PUBG? PlayerUnknown Battleground, or PUBG for short, is at its core a battle royale game. Battle royale typically means 100 players leap from a plane and parachute to different locations on a large scale map. The objective is simple: be last player or scout standing by any means necessary. How you survive and you choose to play the game is up to you. All players begin the game with nothing to defend themselves. You must search buildings and nearby areas for weapons, armor, and healing items. This is referred to as looting and is typically the very first thing you do after landing. At the start of every match, loot is randomly distributed around the map. The area outside of the circle is called the blue zone. If you are caught inside the blue zone, your health will slowly drain until you have no more left. The play area will continue to reduce in size in phases. This encourages you to keep moving, and it also makes it difficult to stay too hidden for too long. Of course, there is a lot more to PUBG than simple staying within the play area. Utilizing the environment around you is essential. Fear there that be hiding inside of a building, using trees as cover, or finding a hilltop to snipe unexpected foes. It all fair game. You have to wake up still, you have to defend yourself, and same time you need to get somewhere fast. Vehicles are randomly scattered across every map. You can find 4v4 off-road vehicles, motorcycle, buggies, vans, and more, each with different capacity, top speed, and durabilities. On top of land vehicles, you can also find various water vehicles like boats and jet skis skirted around the edge of this island. In Battle Royale, I being the last player standing is the ultimate goal. You may not win at first, but if you can quickly loot an areas, mastering your favorite weapons, and survive into the top 10, you will end that one spot in no time. Good luck, and we'll see you on the battleground.